Behind you. Nice one! Guys, let's count again until Demo reaches to the goal. Let's go! Happen something.
Okay, we got the teammate back.
Yeah. Oh, now we're in quarterfinals. Yeah. Just a wake-up call, I assume. Oh, nice.
My bad.
Close one. I'm behind. Just making sure.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
No.
My bad. I am kind of disoriented for a second. Nice one. Oh no! Shit! Sorry.
Thank you.
Let's go!
Thank you. You don't have me.
But let's win this and then we settle that.
Bro. There's always. But just now.
Ooh! Yeah, of course it hits the bloody. Oh, okay.
No. I had one chance. Oh.
Yeah. Steady. I'll go behind you. Nice one! Guys, let's count again until Demo reaches to the goal. Let's go! Demo with those controls. Okay. Lanork says, what? My pick is C3. Good job, man. Our pick is C2, so. But as Demo said last stream, actually that was a really long time ago. Kinda.
Oh no, he bumped me. Yep. Nice one point.
Let's go!
I couldn't reach. Guys, we are coming back. Here we go again.
That was extremely... Yes, I know, Blahna, right? Yeah, pro gamer show, man. Actually, okay. Yeah, here we go again. What the? Sorry for the miss of that open goal.
Tell me about it.
Nice block. Oh!
Oh no.
Man, the game is not helping with this. Guys, sorry, this game is kind of interesting. Let us concentrate. What the? Nice, Demo.
Oh no.
Why, Demo?
Bad.
Nice. You have time.
He's right.
Bloody brilliant, yes. Bloody brilliant. Just continue. Oh no.
This guy's.
Shit!
Sorry. Guys,
What's up?
he meant shirt.
No, I said shirt actually.
Oh,
I did say that. I'll... Didn't have
very
one.
good. Very good. Good one.
Sure. Oh, okay.
Thank you. I was going backward. I can't believe it.
I saw you actually. Like, oh,
Oh, we lost point. Let it count. Let's go. Yes, we won, guys. We won with my teammate disconnected. Unlucky for them,